Hello everyone, you're watching Simply Vegetarian and I'm Ajita. Here's a melt in the mouth savory snack to enjoy especially on a rainy day or on a wintry day, and of course can be enjoyed any time of the year. Pakoda or Bhaji is all-time favorite in different parts of South Asian countries, and here's my type of recipe for Spring Onion Pakora or Pyaj Kali Pakora. I'm using the term Pyaj Kali here because this is what I'm familiar with in Darjeeling. Serve this hot with tomato sauce and enjoy. So let's begin the recipe. I have here a bunch of spring onion, washed 3 times. I'll use only half of these. First let me chop them. I'll take the green ones. Chop them less than 1 centimeter. Do not cut them very small. This size would be perfect. So my spring onion is done. I've used only half a bunch. Next I'll add 2 green chilies. You can add more if you like. Chop them finely too. Garlic, I'll use 5 cloves and grate them finely, or you can add half a teaspoon of garlic paste. This is gram flour. I'll take 6 tablespoons of it. Add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Salt half teaspoon or as per your taste. Around 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. And a pinch of soda bicarbonate, or that could be less than 1/4 teaspoon. Now adding water around 50 ml and start making a batter. Add slowly at a time and make a smooth batter. Here you can use your hand, fingers if you feel comfortable. Batter should be neither too thick nor too thin. Cover and give a rest for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this should be my perfect consistency and ready to fry. Apart from this, I have my frying ladle ready, a bowl to keep pakoras and oil heating on medium flame. To check whether the oil is well heated, drop a bit of batter in the oil. If it pops up, then you're fine to start pouring the dollops. Before you just start pouring, add 1 tablespoon of hot oil in the batter and mix well. Then start frying the pakoras. This will help in making the pakoras crispier. Blend well and add a tablespoonful in the oil. Do not overcrowd. I have taken just 5 tablespoons of dollops. Then fry both sides until golden brown. Let this fry for some time. Do not touch right away or else the batter will stick to your ladle and make it messy. Then start stirring and turning them on both sides. Let them turn golden brown and the heat should be on medium. It took 2 minutes to fry one batch. Turn golden brown, time to remove. Strain the oil properly and it's done. Same procedure for rest of the batter. And those spring onion pakoras are ready to serve. So here's my scrumptious, crispy, melt in the mouth pakoras ready to savor. Serve with hot chili sauce, green chili sauce or ketchup. Will go with any chutney you prefer. Try them out, you'll definitely love them. Best to serve hot. It's soft and crispy at the same time. Well, I can't wait to taste them. You make yours and enjoy.